going on? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins back at it again with another video. Watching ticker SPY over here. We can see that we're hitting 381 as some type of resistance. You can see that this is the 180-day 4-hour chart. We've been hitting this 381 for a while now, and we haven't broke this level. Waiting for a break of 381, and I believe we could start having a nice push up towards that 382. And if we still start coming back down, I believe this trade line over here will act as some type of support. On the break of 378, I believe we could start dropping down towards that 376. We are getting overbought. The market has been pushing up for a while now, as you guys can see over here. So definitely want to be cautious as you guys are looking forward to going into your positions today. Next one I want to watch is NEO. We've been calling this out for a while now because we've seen that resistance at that $55 level. Stock rejected that level, kind of went sideways, held above that SMA. We have finally broke above that $55 level. I believe she's going to have a nice gap fill towards that 58. If you guys missed that, wait for the break of 58. I believe she could possibly go up towards that 60 mark. And if she basically breaks that $50 mark on the way down, we could possibly have a nice short down towards 50. So 55 towards that 58 over here. And then basically once we break that 58, we could go to 60. And if we start coming back down 55 towards that 50 over here. Next one I want to watch is basically bidu. Bidu was actually called out by one of our students, Sully, in the group chat. He's been absolutely killing it. You can see the bidu is pushing up pretty nicely right now. Going up for that gap fill over here with that $229. So I believe if we break that $229, I believe we could start possibly pushing up towards that 240. And then if we start coming back down, let's jump over to the 20-day chart over here. You could probably get in a little early. You could probably get in from the break of 216 down towards 212 and maybe even retest that 204. The stock is overbought. It's been a little bit more overbought before, but definitely want to be cautious with this one as well too. Moving forward, we're going to look at MARA. Going with the Bitcoin craze, you can see that the stock it kind of had a resistance at that $25 level. It's breaking 25. I believe it could start. Going up towards that 27 level. So definitely want to watch that as well too. Let me jump back over to the 180-day. I believe if we ever pull back, right, it's very overbought. If we pull back, a break of 21 down towards 17 is very possible. Next one we're looking at is Plug. We called out Plug yesterday. Plug is on an absolute tear right now. You can see it's breaking 51, very overbought. That's another thing that we're seeing very repetitive today. A lot of stocks are overbought. So definitely want to be cautious for a massive pullback in the market. But at the break of 51.25, we can start pushing up towards that 55 level. And then if we start coming back down, I believe the break of 44, we could start dropping down towards like this 37, 38 price point over here on Plug. Next one I want to talk about is MU. MU is pushing up pretty nicely this morning as well. Overbought. It's been more overbought before. If it breaks this 83.49, I think we could start pushing up towards 85. If we start breaking down from 79, I believe we could start dropping down towards that 75 level. So stock is overbought, just like we've been seeing on a recurring trend right now. A lot of things are overbought. Last but not least, I want to talk about Tesla. Congratulations, Elon Musk being the world's richest man. We can see that Tesla's on an absolute tear. It's been running since December, the end of December. So pretty nice move up. Very overbought. Be cautious. I know you guys all think Tesla's going to go to the moon. This is the highest level it's ever been on the RSI. So definitely want to be cautious with that as well. If we do break that 854, we could possibly squeeze up towards that 900 mark. It's crazy how the stock is back at 900, but 854, then we could go towards 900. And if we start pulling back down on the break of 810 is going to be basically the big drop from 810. We could get it down towards 774, and then there's actually more possibility for downside on that one. So definitely want to pay attention to this as it keeps on moving up, especially with the news Tesla does like to run. Don't forget to join our chat room. If you guys want to basically have access to this type of information on a daily basis, I do post this information for my students every day pre-market. If you want to join our chat room, the link is going to be in the bio below, so definitely check that out. Check it out on Wall Street Assassins. We basically post all our students' gains, everything that's going on with our chat room in there as well. And if you want to join our one-on-one classes, don't be shy and definitely do message me, and stay tuned for the next video.